Don't forget to check out my website, www.streetxm.com. You can find clothing, accessories, and more.
Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video. If you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notifications on.
Thank you so much for your support, you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to turn on your notifications if you want a shout out in the next video.
Okay, so you can be notified when I upload another one of these videos. So yeah, today I have a new company that I'm trying. It's not really new because I've tried the company before, but the last time I tried it, they did not have any type of lace. So we're going with that theme today. So today we have the Perfect Hairline Fully Hand Tied 13x6 lace wig, and this is by Outre, and her name is Lana. So we have Lana here on deck. Okay, all right, Lele. Well, I said Lele, her name's Lana. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Basically says that this unit is fully hand tied, meaning they tied the individual hair strands on this unit. You don't need to pluck. It comes with baby hairs. It has a 6-inch deep parting. It has a soft Swiss lace. It has an adjustable wide elastic band, and it's heat styling friendly. On a ish. Okay, so this is what it looks like coming out of the box. As you guys can see, I love the packaging. That was cute. Oh, whoa, girl, Lana, wait, girl. You guys can see. Woo, she is fire. I love the curl pattern in this unit. Okay, they're so cute. I don't want to touch them. Normally with my curly units, I don't really like define them and stuff like that, because sis, you start doing too much, curly units will start to tangle up on you quick. And I mean quick when I say quick. So really, I don't really like to go in and do anything unless I really have to. So like I said, this is the curl pattern right out here, and she is bomb.com. Go ahead, Lana, with your bad ass. Okay, so this is the construction. And one thing that I noticed about the synthetic companies, they don't do like full laces, especially in the part, because as you guys can see here, let me show you guys. As you guys can see here, they do like the perimeter lace, and then they just give you room in the middle. I don't know why they don't do like a full lace on it, but that would be good to have. That way, if you want to put it up on the side too, you can do that, because as you guys can see, this is going to prevent you from doing that because of, you know, how they sewed it here. It's not really a lot of room on the sides, but it's more room in the middle. But this is how she's looking. She does have a comb at the nape. She has the comb at the sides, as you guys saw, and it comes with the drawstring. Okay, they coming in the clutch with the elastic band already sewed on. I didn't even see that. What in the heck? What? Okay, so this definitely is gonna allow you to wear this glueless, so you might not even have to let her down. I can tell that this lace is tinted. Like I said, this is Swiss lace, and Swiss lace is softer than that little plastics that they used to use. So we about to get into this. Let me put it on my hand to see what's going on down there. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my hand. It melts right. Do you guys see that? It melts right into my skin. I don't know with this unit, I may not have to use foundation, but we're gonna see. I'm just gonna bring her out just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I don't know, I may have to, but I always start off talking, but then I'm so used to doing my voiceover, I forget to talk. So I'm gonna have to work on that. Let me know what you guys like. Do you guys like when I talk and do it, or you like my voiceovers? I don't know, I feel like the voiceovers, I can get to the point and get done. When I'm talking, I feel like I prolong stuff. But let me know what you guys would prefer, because sis, let me try to do it again, y'all. Okay, so what's going on here? Whoa, why I feel like I was about to go to sleep. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see the hairline. Now This hairline can use a little bit more plucking. I ain't gonna lie, baby girl. We can just go in a little bit more and to pluck it a little bit more. And like I said, you don't really have a lot of room, so it's not bad. I just gotta work with her, okay? Like I said, I'm loving the curls on the unit. Don't really want to maneuver them too much because y'all know curly hair.
All right, so I'm just cutting off the excess lace off of the unit. You guys, you don't need it. Cut as close as possible to the hairline. You don't want any of that lace showing on your forehead at all. So get close. If you have to zoom up, get a mirror that is like magnified, do that, but don't have any excess lace hanging there, sis, because it's not a good look. And you know, I have to stress that because people think that's a thing. I'm like, I don't understand why girls in my city be going around walking with their lace like that. Like, what? But anyway, I'm just parting into the unit and creating some baby hairs. This step is optional. You do not have to do this. Now, you can go into the unit and pluck a little bit more, like I stated in the beginning. But honestly, personally, I feel like it's not really enough room. Once you start really getting the plucking, you're probably going to have no space at all, you know, to do what you need to do. So I opted out of plucking with it. However, the hairline still looks natural, but it doesn't look like natural like, sis. That's a wig, you know. It gives me the natural vibes, but like I don't even know how to explain it. I'm sounding stupid right now, but you guys get my drift. It's just not as natural as it can be, but you can still work with it, okay? You still can work with it. So I'm just cutting at an angle and cutting the excess hairs off, and I'm just going to take my 𝚘𝚘𝚒 hair gel and, you know, create some baby hairs. Now, this method is a way that you can secure the wig as well without having to use the 𝚘𝚘𝚒 hairspray method and glue the whole thing down. This wig actually came with the elastic band, so it had extra security to the point where I didn't need to add that hairspray. So yeah, here I'm just creating my baby hairs. I'm just gonna give you guys a rundown on the hair while you guys are watching this. This hair was pretty much easy to work with, and like I said, if you guys didn't know, curly hair is one of the textures of hair that is prone to tangle quicker than any other texture, in my opinion. Now, that's just my opinion. Now, working with this hair, I noticed that when I start to detangle it, and you guys will see that, when I start to detangle it and like put it in a style, I noticed that I didn't get any type of frizziness. Normally when I start, you know, creating baby hairs, if it didn't already come with the perimeter of the section, like for the entire ear to ear, you have to go in and pull the hair. And when you're pulling the hair or pulling apart the hair, you're basically separating the curls. And sometimes with these synthetic units, you can get like heavy tangling. Some units be tangling to the point where you can't, it just be napping up and balling up and all that jazz. And I'm just glad that this unit didn't do it. I was honestly scared and really thought that this unit was going to give me problems just because of the tightness of the curl pattern. But I'm going to show you guys once I, you know, lay her down. I'm going to show you guys as I'm separating it. I'm getting a little bit of snagging, and you will see that. It's just a little bit. It's nothing like, oh my gosh, this is tangling and matting on me. It didn't do that. And another thing, like I said before, it didn't frizz, which I was super amazed with, because I'm like, y'all already know the deal with curly hair units. Sometimes they work with you and sometimes they don't. Now, the curls were so freaking pretty. And normally when I'm wanting to keep the curls in, I use my fingers and detangle. Do not go in with a fine tooth comb, like a rat tooth comb, and try to separate these curls. That's a no-no. Like, who told you to do that? That's a no-no. You will get tangling and frizziness doing that. So you have to be very gentle with curly hair. So like I said, finger detangle and just loosely pull away the curls. Now, if you start getting a little snag, just take your time, okay? Take your time and just separate them. Like a wide tooth comb or your fingers is the best thing to maintain your curly hair. But overall, this hair is bomb.com. I'm loving it. I love the curls. Everything was just amazing. So like you seen, I get shedding, I get tangles, and that's just what it is. So let me know what you guys think of this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.